Hi, I'm your trainer Jared with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get the most out of your Pace 500 Smart Auto Incline Treadmill. Upgrade your walking and running workouts with this modernized approach to fitness tracking. The Sunny Pace Smart Auto Incline Treadmill offers a convenient way to stay active from the comfort of home. Whether you walk or run, using the incline feature helps increase calorie burn, support cardiovascular health, and reduce joint impact. Each workout also delivers a natural endorphin boost to elevate your mood and energy levels. My favorite feature of this treadmill is the connectivity to my smart TV via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, where I can enjoy real-time tracking, scenic routes, and personalized programs through the SunnyFit app. This feature will motivate you to find new and creative ways to enhance your workouts. This treadmill has 12 levels of auto incline ranging from 0.5 up to 12% to increase the intensity of your workout, and you can get up to a speed of 10 miles an hour. You can adjust the intensity instantly with built-in quick incline and speed buttons, or better yet, use your phone to control the speed. You'll love the 18-inch running surface, which supports natural strides, offering comfort and stability for users of all sizes up to 300 pounds. It has a shock-absorbing surface to cushion every stride so that you can go that extra mile. It's a very quiet machine due to the brushless 2-peak HP motor. The advanced LED display tracks calories, distance, pulse, speed, steps, time, and has 12 preset programs to give you a variety of workouts to choose from and a wireless heart rate function. The convenient bottle and tablet holders are well positioned for a great workout experience, and the USB charging port will make sure your tablet or phone stays charged. Finally, this treadmill is compact and portable so that you can easily relocate it anywhere in your home or office. First and foremost, let's tackle connecting to Wi-Fi. To get connected, turn on the machine and use the display to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Pair the treadmill with the SunnyFit app to access workout stats, goal tracking, and expert-led routines. You can control the treadmill speed with your smartphone once it's paired. If the access point is not configured or fails to be configured, the Wi-Fi indicator light will turn off. After configuring the access point, the Wi-Fi indicator light will flash during the connection to the server. The Wi-Fi indicator light will flash during the connection to the server and will stay on when the server is successfully connected. Please note that Wi-Fi connection only supports 2.4G frequency, not 5G. Next, make sure you're connected to the SunnyFit app. Once connected, attach the safety key to your workout pants, and now you can operate the treadmill speed with your phone. Once you're done with the workout, take off the safety clip, carefully step off, and unplug the machine. I hope you enjoyed learning about the key features of the Pace 500 Smart Auto Incline Treadmill. You will have a great warranty with your new machine, backed up by excellent customer support along the way. We hope you get the most out of your new treadmill.